Would you like to sell your property, but you don't know if you need your spouse's signature? Please stay tuned and watch the video.
Hi everyone, I'm attorney Jessica de las Cuevas from De las Cuevas and Hauserman. These videos are for informational purposes only and are not meant to constitute specific legal advice. If you have specific questions about your situation, please call us at 561-223-1699 for a free consultation.
Hello everyone, I am Betania Valentin Nesser from Agent Plus Realty, your specialist in Florida real estate. Today, I'm here with attorney Jessica de las Cuevas for another Legal Friday. Hey Jessica, thank you for another Legal Friday. Today, I'd like to ask you what happens if a husband and wife have a property, but the husband bought before they married.
Well, that property is actually going to be non-marital property for purposes of classification during any kind of separation, but improvement values, any money that gets put into the property going forward through the marriage will be considered marital. So there could be some equity in the property that's still subject to being considered part of the marriage.
Okay, and so for is the husband able to sell the property? And if the wife's name, for example, is not on the property, only the husband's name, is he able to sell the property without the wife's consent?
Well, he's the only one on the title, so he's the one that's going to have to sign. But in this case, the wife has to sign a separate document saying that she consented, so that she allowed and she is okay with her husband selling or transferring that property. If not, you're going to have a big title issue in the future because that was going to be an improper transfer, especially if that's the property that the wife resides in, the homestead property. There could be a lot of trouble going forward with that kind of transaction.
Yes, that happens a lot. Sometimes husband and wife wants to sell a property, but it's only in the husband name, and sometimes when they get divorced, and that's different. So if, for example, if they filed for divorce and the husband wants to sell the property and don't want to give the share for the wife.
Well, that's going to be a big problem, right? So if the parties have filed for divorce and the husband tries to sell the property or sells the property without the wife's consent, the court actually has jurisdiction to reverse that sale and penalize the husband for attempting to hide or get rid of marital assets during a divorce proceeding. So one of the biggest things that we tell our clients is, even though you're currently separated, since your divorce is not finalized, it is not smart to try to move anything out of your name, because the court could consider that transaction to be an attempt to hide money and hide assets that are subject to equitable distribution, and that could literally end in big penalties. And if you don't follow the rules, it could even be criminal penalties further on. So the judges really don't like that, and the court does not like that. So if you're separated and you're contemplating divorce, or if you're in a divorce proceeding, please consult with your attorney in regards to what your possibilities are from transferring anything in your name. And just to be safe, don't move anything until you've spoken to your attorney or a judge has already agreed that you're able to sell that property or asset. Yeah, you have to be really careful. I think a lot of people don't realize that although these are civil proceedings, if you fail to follow court orders, the court has the possibility to fine you, give you jail time, and hold you in contempt of the court, which could be criminal consequences. So we can't play around. Just because it's a civil proceeding doesn't mean that you can't get in trouble with the law in regards to anything you do. So just be safe, and when you don't know what you're doing, consult an attorney.
Yes, that's the best option. So thank you for your time. See you next Friday.
See you guys next Friday.
Did you like the video? Please stay tuned for more Legal Fridays, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so every time I have a new video, you're gonna be able to see. Thank you. See you next time.